Merry Christmas, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Christmas. It's December 25th. It's 5:27 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Well, I have been sick as crap forever and finally got a bit of a reprieve. I'm alive again, so I am going to do a Christmas daily view because some cool things happened last night. As always, go to bitcoindailywiew.com. Links and fun stuff there. If I talked about it here, you'll probably see it referenced there. All right, it is a green day in the market. It is glorious. So, Santa showed up for the crypto market. Bitcoin up almost 6%, coming in at 24,400 basically right now. Ethereum back in the game, up 8%, 628. Litecoin up 16%. Link up 10%. So, beautiful stuff going on. Little Cardano up 13%. Theta, which has been taking a hit recently. Definitely up 23%, now 24%. It's a glorious, glorious day. Now, the big winner today probably is, well, the crypto market in general and all of us that are in it. But XRP, 37 cents. It's up 37% this morning. This is glorious, and we'll talk about that and look at the chart. And I can tell you, I wish I'd been doing the daily view. I wish I hadn't been sick, because I could have shown you that I saw this coming. It was very obvious on a lot of levels. So we'll check it out as we go along. Bitcoin trading volume last 24 hours, 3 billion, not bad at all. 1.6 of that on Binance, and Coinbase almost half a billion, coming in at 454 billion. No, 454 million. Coinbase definitely a player too. So, and Kraken also 236 million. Beautiful big numbers. The exchanges are just rocking along trading. All right, where all that glorious volume is on Binance, 66% longs, 33% shorts. So cool numbers, 66 and 33. So the sentiment definitely is long today. How many gold coins to buy a Bitcoin this morning? 13. All right, now looking at Bitcoin on the 45-minute chart, boom, is this not a glorious thing? Great, great setup. We have been flirting with the 200 moving average here. That's what these little pink Barbies are, as we call them. And boom, we made a beautiful bounce finally off of that, and it's a glorious thing. All the EMAs and the Super Guppy indicator are green, signified by this little green diamond here. Directional index is green and powerful. ADX is at 25, actually 26, beautiful. RSI is a little high. KRI is in the right spot. We are in Lambo mode. I think this is another all-time high, isn't it, this morning? So, Bitcoin gets a beautiful Christmas morning on the 45-minute chart. It is looking wonderful. Let's check out the daily chart here. Daily chart looking glorious. A beautiful green candle. We're still way above the 200 moving average. It's wonderful. And the MACD is definitely trended towards the positive. I mean, it was positive, but now it's trended. The histogram is opening, so the MACD is moving away from the signal. This is a glorious thing. Let's look at the 3-day. How does that look? Yes, the current 3-day candle is a powerful green one. It's a beautiful continuation pattern. The MACD is looking glorious. So it's a wonderful, wonderful day in the Bitcoin neighborhood. I noticed this over at Crypto Love's YouTube channel. He's a cool character. Check him out. I'll link to this in the show notes. But Bitcoin important short-term test as a 4-hour, and that moving average 50. Bullish megaphone, this guy calls it. It's an idea over there at TradingView, and I would say, looking at he corresponds the RSI to this megaphone pattern, as he put it, and it makes a lot of sense. And if we look at today's movement here in Bitcoin, then I would say his idea, especially with today's move, definitely does play out. If you want to check this out, I'll link to it. I think that he's onto something. All right, Ethereum USD on the 45-minute chart. This is an important thing. Ethereum been getting a little battered recently, along with Bitcoin making an aggressive move up. It is now above the 200 moving average on the 45-minute chart, the white moving average here. That is very, very bullish. Short-term price action, directional index is green. ADX is in the right spot. All other indicators are firing up and good to go. Let's look at this on the 4-hour chart. Yes, 4-hour chart, we're also above the 200 moving average, and directional index is turning green, so Ethereum is definitely going to find itself challenging that 650 psychological barrier. Would not even surprise me if that was today. So the market is on fire this morning. Now I know when you look at this chart right here, it looks like it's alt season, and you know it is. Every day is alt season because every day there's an alt you could be longing or shorting and making money. I don't really get the idea of what alt season is supposed to mean, but looking at this beautiful chart here over at Coin360, or I should say infographic, whatever you want to call it, yeah, it kind of looks like alt season, doesn't it? Well, I agree, it certainly does. But something that I find people are looking at to signify when does alt season officially kick off, well, let's call it today, Christmas Day. Look at that beautiful green um, Coin360 here. It looks like alt season if you ask me. But Ethereum BTC, Ethereum kind of like the king of alts, and when it gets above the 2 moving average here on the 4-hour chart, or 45-minute chart, they're about the same where the moving average is sitting. That's when I think we're going to see a real full Lambo mode for alts. So right now, ETHBTC, the Ethereum BTC pair, it needs to get up like 15% on the 4-hour chart before it actually gets over the 200 moving average. And if we look at the 45-minute chart, how does that look? On the 45-minute chart, it needs about just about 4% to get over the 200 moving average. So I think that with all the hype and all the good stuff, the hype and also the reality of Ethereum, where all the now the staking that it's doing, and 2.0, etc. I think when the Ethereum BTC pair gets healthier here, I think that's when we're really going to see alts just go insane. They're already going insane, but imagine when this happens. It's just maybe a psychological thing, but I do think that I'm going to call alt season when Ethereum BTC pairing gets a little bit healthier. So when Ethereum starts to hit 0.026 sats, also looking here at the 4-hour chart, about 0.30 sats. So really, if I was to draw a line here right at 0.30 sats, I think when we break through that, basically a 4-hour moving average on the 4-hour 200 moving average, that's when I think we're going to see alts just insanely explode. And I think that Ethereum really wants to make a move against Bitcoin because many do think it will outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks as far as percentage-wise of gains. So put a little tab there. It would not hurt to have a little alert there in TradingView when Ethereum crosses value of 0.30. Yes, on the 4-hour chart. I think then it is, we'll just call it alt season Lambo mode. All right, there we go. I believe that will that's when the world's going to change that day. Anyway, XRP. Now, I wish I'd been doing the Daily View or I hadn't been sick. I did actually post some of this in the Telegram channel for Bitcoin Daily View. It's linked to over there at bitcoindailywiew.com. This is the daily chart for XRP, okay? And so, yeah, it was doing fine. We had a massive dump on news. But look here, this is the daily chart. This is the 200 moving average, white moving average here. Yesterday it began to bounce, had a strong bounce. Now today it's definitely a continuation. So it looks like we had on the daily a 200 moving average bounce. Something that I've been thinking and chatting about in the Telegram channel for Bitcoin Daily View is, look, I mean, anybody who thinks that with the investment banks have made that XRP is going away or going to take a big hit based on retarded news of just basically like the SEC trying to stay relevant in the future, which it's not going to. The world's changing. There is a peaceful crypto revolution. This is just a bunch of old ass clowns trying to be important. Like Biden and Yellen here. Look in the news. Biden, Yellen will crack down on crypto, criminal cesspool. And this new guy here, whoever this irrelevant shill is, Dr. Doom they call him, he tends to, whenever he says something stupid, which is usual, and that Bitcoin is over, it usually pumps. It's even been proven. People make fun little charts, and Also, fellow detractor Peter Schiff doesn't like it either, another ass clown. So basically, we have ass clowns saying stupid shit, and of course, what's happening, the market, the crypto market could care less. Take Bitcoin as an example today, even take XRP as an example. Sorry, ass clowns, no one cares what you have to say. And look at that, SEC Chairman Jay Clayton published his resignation letter and will step down after today. If you ask me, you mess with the people who are using Ripple and XRP, what's going to happen to you? This. And if you continually say dumb shit like this, well, maybe this will happen to you. Anyway, with that said, XRP bouncing where it would be expected to bounce. All this legalities, all this nonsense will just be handled out of court. This is not going to last very long. XRP Army, I'm proud of y'all that did not sell, that saw this coming. We talked about it in the Telegram group. Hop in the Telegram group because oftentimes you'll get, we talk about cool stuff. And sometimes you can be ahead of the game. Myself, you're dang right, I picked up some XRP when I saw this reversal. And it's back to rocket ship to Lambo mode in spite of irrelevant ass clowns who say dumb things. Anyway, everybody, Merry Christmas, even to the irrelevant ass clowns. I hope all is going well for everybody. This is a glorious Christmas morning for the cryptocurrency market in general. Look at this. It's glorious. I love it. Bless everyone, even the little bankers coin XRP. And hey, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am glad to be alive again. Cherish your health because it sucks. I probably had the comorbidity 19 back when everyone else had it, and now I think if there is truly a second wave and there is a comorbidity 20, I just spent about a week or two in bed kicking its ass, and I can tell you what, it sucks, but I'm alive. Life is beautiful. So are you. Take care. Happy 2021.